Whisper of Rain Perfume, natural, refreshing summer fragrance recipe. If you're looking for a relaxing touch on hot summer days, Whisper of Rain Perfume is just what you need. This natural perfume, made with ingredients like sandalwood oil, bergamot oil, and blackcurrant oil, creates a cooling and relaxing effect. It's the perfect choice for those looking for natural beauty and those who prefer a chemical-free perfume. Ingredients: 2 cups of rested water, 3 tablespoons of vodka, 5 drops of sandalwood oil, 10 drops of bergamot oil, 10 drops of blackcurrant oil. Instructions: combine all ingredients, mix well, and shake the mixture. Once ready, pour it into a dark-colored bottle and leave it to rest for 12 hours. During this period, the ingredients will blend together, enhancing the fragrance. After resting, store your perfume in a cool and dark place for long-term use. Benefits of Whisper of Rain Perfume. 1. Relaxing effect. Sandalwood oil has aromatherapy properties that help calm your mind and relieve stress. This perfume provides a natural remedy for stress throughout the day. 2. Refreshing fragrance. Bergamot oil helps cool you down on hot summer days and promotes mental clarity, offering a natural beauty and mental relaxation. 3. Skincare. Blackcurrant oil provides antioxidant benefits that nourish your skin and offers anti-aging properties, giving your skin a natural glow. 4. Chemical-free perfume, made with only natural ingredients. This perfume is a chemical-free perfume alternative that won't harm your skin. Making your own natural perfume. Homemade perfume recipes are a wonderful way to enrich your personal care routine with the benefits of aromatherapy. Making your own perfume ensures you avoid chemicals and embrace natural beauty. This perfume-making process is simple and fun, and you can enjoy the relaxing effect and refreshing fragrance every day. Why you should try Whisper of Rain Perfume. If you want to capture the refreshing effects of summer and take care of yourself with natural ingredients, Whisper of Rain Perfume is just what you need. This natural perfume recipe caters to your desire for skincare, and with aromatherapy benefits, it helps you stay refreshed. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking to avoid chemical perfumes and enjoy the calming benefits of nature. You can easily make this homemade perfume at home and use it as your summer perfume. It's also a great alternative for those searching for perfume recipes. By making your own perfume, you can enjoy a fresh, natural scent without the chemicals that harm your skin.